Welcome to the Holistic Series with Lucy Coutinho. I am a mental health counselor, author, and speaker. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the benefits of walking in nature. So let's go on a walk. Taking a walk in nature is more than just physical exercise. It is an act of self-care, a way to come home to yourself. Nature invites us to slow down, breathe deeper, and reconnect with ourselves. Here are some of the powerful benefits of walking in nature. 1, it reduces stress and anxiety. 2, it boosts mood and mental clarity. 3, enhances creativity and focus. 4, it improves our physical health. 5, it fosters mindfulness and allows us to be present in the moment. So, what are you doing today to stay connected to nature? Let me know. I would love to hear more about it. Thank you for taking this walk with me today. Please do join me on Instagram at luce.inspiration or email me at coutinho, that's coutinho.lucy@gmail. Until the next time, sending you all so much love. Be well.